This is the Radar III Office Chair by Pago. The Radar III Executive Chair is designed to impress with total ergonomic support. The chair has a weight-balanced Posturesure synchronized mechanism. This means you can adjust to the correct posture in a number of seated positions. The mechanism automatically adjusts the tension the backrest exerts on you. The synchro mechanism easily adjusts, making it ideal when different people want to use the chair. The first lever operates the gas lifter. Place your feet firmly on the floor and ensure there is a 90-degree angle between your thigh and your shin bone. For shorter people, this may require a footrest. Sit as far back in the chair as possible. The second lever opens and locks the Posturesure Synchro mechanism. It can be locked upright or in a number of reclined positions. The back reclines 2 degrees for every 1 degree the seat tilts backwards. This ensures correct posture through the full range of adjustment. We recommend using the chair in the free float position or unlocked most of the day. Lock it in the most upright position for concentrated working. When the chair is locked in the upright position, the seat tilts slightly forward. This tilts your pelvis forward, generating better posture and lumbar support. There is a lever on the left, which is used to adjust the seat slide. The seat can be made longer or shorter to accommodate users with longer legs. The Radar III has a revolutionary new lumbar support, which can be adjusted while seated. Put your hands behind your back, grab the knobs, and adjust to suit your body. The lumbar should fit in the small of your back. The arms are height adjustable. Hold the button and raise or lower them to the desired height. Raised is good for supporting your arm when using a mouse. Lowered is best for getting the chair as close to the desk as possible. Last but not least, the Radar III Office Chair by Pago carries a 15-year warranty. Thanks for watching, and congratulations on a great new addition to your home or office.